Here, hand me your bag. Or do you have an extra one?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Drop more in. Drop more in.
Oh.
And then pick up the box and hand it to me. That's okay. You haven't done this in a while. Here, I'll put the box up for you. You just worry about your dog. Helps if you move your feet a little. There you go. Go drop more in. Pick up the box. Next time I'll bring my tripod so I don't have to try and video and move boxes at the same time. Cheater.
One more. Let's get her to find the last one.
Yeah, you can open it up and then it's easier.
Brittany has trick boxes.
I know. Just open the, if you just lift the top cardboard, it'll come right off. Oh, sorry, that's my phone. I think we'll just let her find what's out there and then give her a rest.
Yeah, this is a lot of work.
I don't want her to die of heat exhaustion or something. Good girl. She's sure methodical.
Good hunting. Good hunting. Okay, that's
no,
a lot.
She's got one more. This one more. This one more. This one more. Yeah, don't leave with her. I love the skidding stop. Did you find it?
I know where it is.
Yeah. There's certainly food in my pocket, but it's not for you. I have a bunch of pictures of her from a couple summers ago too, hey? Have I sent them to you? The ones Darren took? Do you remember that?
Oh, I do.
We went out to Mary's yard.
Yeah. Is there some good ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remind me by email.
Good girl.